Hello guys, welcome back with the third puzzle, a Sudoku mix, aka Killer Sudoku, regular Sudoku in today's newspaper on a Wednesday. Yes, it's the Wednesday, October the 20th, 2021. We have here 3 regular Sudokus. I have solved those 2 already, the binary and the medium Sudoku. Now it's time for the Killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. By the way, in this newspaper there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe 6 extra puzzles, but I only do half of them, so 3 puzzles I will do. But first I will solve this Killer Sudoku number 3563. Only 2 given numbers. Okay, so let's get started. For Killer Sudoku, I think I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. You can compare with a 3 stars. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. And my strategy is to look for a big square with 1 sharing box. For example, this one. And that one with 1 sharing box. If I know this number, then I know that number. So then we have here a sharing box. Then I know this one and that one. Okay, it's a chain reaction. So should be an easy one, this one. So what you need to know is also the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45, and the total sum of a column is always 45. Alright, so let's get started. Double 13, 26. Plus 10, 36. Plus 8, 44. So 45 minus 44 is 1. In a box of 6, the combination will be 1 plus 6, or 1 plus 5. Correction. So 5 plus 15 is 20. 20 plus 4 is 24. 24 plus 17 is 41. So 45 minus 41 is a 4. In a box of 11, the combination will be 4 plus 7. Okay. Now we have a big square with 1 sharing box. 10 plus 17. 27 plus 7. 34. 34 plus 9. 43 plus 2 is equal to 45. So in a box of 3, the combination will be 2 plus 1. Okay. So 15 plus 14 is 30. 15 plus 14 is 29, plus 1 is 30. 30 plus 11 is 41. So this box, 31 plus 4 is equal to 45. In a box of 13, the combination will be 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4. Alright. Yeah. 7 plus 8 is 15. Plus 13 is 28. 28 plus 11 is 39. 39. 45 minus 39 is a 6. Yes. In a box of 11, the combination will be 6 plus 5. Alright. So 19 plus 10 is 29. Plus 3 is 32. 32. 32. 32 plus 5 is 37. So 37 45 minus 37 is an 8. This box should be an 8. Okay, in the box of 14, the combination will be 8 plus 6. So 20 plus 6 is 26, plus 4 is 30, plus 11, 41. So 45 minus 41 is equal to 4. Yeah, 40, 30, 41, yes. In the box of 12, the combination will be 4 plus 8. Okay. These double 7, 14 plus 16 is 30, 30 plus 8, 38. So 45 minus 38 is a 45 minus 38 is a 7. 38 plus 7 is 45. In the box of 10, the combination will be 7 plus 3. Alright, I have all those numbers now. All the boxes are complete. My next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. The box of 4, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. Well, we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this row, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Okay. Box of 4, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 plus 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. In the box of 10, the combination will be 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. Then, let me scan. Okay, those are the numbers with only one combination. Alright. So now we have 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1 is missing, 2 is missing, and 9 is missing. Well, the 9 cannot be in the box of 7, cannot be in the box of 8, of course. The only place for the 9 should be in the box of 13. The combination here will be 9 plus 4. Okay. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 1 in this row. I cannot place the 1 here in the box of 7, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 6. The 6 is already used in this big square. So the 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. In the box of 8, the combination will be 1 plus 7. In the box of 7, the combination will be 2 plus 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 8 and 3. So now 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this row. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. We see there 7. No 7 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. In this triple box of 20, 1 missing number. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 8 is equal to 20. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be in the box of 13. The combination will be 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row. For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. Well, I cannot place the 9 in the box of 8, of course. Otherwise, 9 minus 1. Minus 1 is not allowed. The lowest number I can use is the number 1. So the 9 should be here. And the 6 goes there. In the box of 13, the combination will be 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. In the box of 8, the combination will be 6 plus 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 2 and 9. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. We have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 2 in that box. The 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third column. For the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. Yes, the 4 is the other number. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, the 3 is missing, and of course the 7. 3 plus 7 is equal to 10. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column. First column, 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 9 and the 5. Let me mark those. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 2 is equal to 16. This triple box of 16, yes. Now 2 numbers left in this big square. The 1 is missing, so the 1 and the 6. Of course, 1 plus 6 is 7. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. Alright. 2 numbers left in this. Wait. Yeah. 1 number left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. Yes. 4 and the 9. Do not know in which order. 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 9 is equal to 19. This triple box of 19. Alright. So we have a 4 in the last column. 4 in that column. So the column between. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row above. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. One missing number in the box of 10. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Alright. Alright. Then, 1 number left in this triple box of 17. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. 2 boxes are left. One of the missing number is a 9. Well, we see here 9 in the last column, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 should be in a box of 10. The combination will be 9 plus 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 3 and the 6. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright. 2. Oh, now we have a 3 there. So this box is going to be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be an 8. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. 2 numbers left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. Let me mark those. 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14 in this triple box of 14. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 6 plus 9 is equal to 15. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can't be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 5. Alright. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 1. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. 2 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2 and the 8. Let me mark those. 2 and 8. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 7 is equal to 17 in this triple box of 17. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 9 and 6. 9 and 6 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. Let me see. 2 numbers left in this column. 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 7. 2 and the 7. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. In a box of 8, the combination will be 7 plus 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box will be a 1, and this box will be a 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box will be a 2, and this box will be an 8. 1 number left in this column for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 box left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 2 plus 8 plus 5 is equal to 15. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 7. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow. Well, 20 to 30 minutes. I think it's a 2 stars. Yes, not a 3 stars. So I'm very well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, this one is an easy Killer Sudoku, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Killer Sudoku, playlists for the binaries, for the tectonic. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the medium, for the heavy, for the light, for the quintuplet. All kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Don't forget the tip of the day. The second tip: track your progress. Tips to avoid failure. Yes. Well, people, have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again later on in the evening with the other 3 puzzles in the additional. Until then, bye bye for now.